All right, let's talk about corporate learning. For years, it's been something companies just do. But what if we could make it smarter? Today, we're diving into how one company is using AI to totally flip the script on employee training. The idea is to stop just ticking boxes and start building a genuinely more capable workforce. It's a pretty big deal, so let's get into it.
So let's just start with a really simple and maybe a little uncomfortable question. Think about the last training program your company put money into. Did it actually work? I mean, did it really change how people did their jobs? Or did everyone just finish the course and go back to doing things the exact same way?
You know, there's this huge gap, right? On one side, you have the promise, this dream of a super skilled team, a massive return on your investment, real business growth. But then, on the other side, you have the reality for so many companies. Employees aren't engaged, the skills don't stick, and you have no idea if it actually had an impact. It's a really common frustration.
To fix a problem this big, you can't just buy a better library of courses. You need a completely new way of thinking. And that's where this idea of talent intelligence comes into play. It's a fundamental shift in how we approach developing people at work.
So what in the world is a talent intelligence platform? Well, first off, it is not just another Netflix for training videos. It's a whole ecosystem. It uses AI and data to draw a straight line from what an employee is learning to how they're actually performing on the job. And this is the key. Learning stops being the separate thing we do, and it becomes a direct driver of business results.
So how does an engine like this actually run? What's going on inside that makes it so different from the systems we're all used to? Let's pop the hood and take a look.
At its core, it's all about this continuous intelligent loop. It's not a one-and-done thing. First, it figures out what skills a person actually has. Then, it serves up a learning path made just for them. And AI is there to help along the way, and the platform measures the results. But here's the real game changer. It uses all that data to predict future performance, and that prediction feeds right back into the beginning of the loop, making the whole system smarter every single time. Now, this whole loop is powered by 5 key parts working together. You've got the LXP, the Learning Experience Platform, which is the AI brain creating those personalized journeys. Then there's the LMS, which handles the more traditional stuff like compliance and tracking. Add in some really scientific skill assessments, a powerful analytics engine to prove the ROI, and that helpful AI agent, and you've got the whole package. And this really gets us to the most important transformation of all. We're moving away from just pushing out content and moving toward generating real, actionable intelligence about our people. I mean, just look at the difference here. A traditional system, it's all about getting people to complete a course. It's one size fits all, and the only goal is to track who did what. But this new model, its focus is on actually growing someone's skills. It uses AI to personalize everything, and its goal isn't just to track what happened, but to predict what's going to happen. It's night and day. When you put it all together, this whole approach creates value in 3 really clear ways. First, you get predictive intelligence. You know which skills will actually make a difference. Second, you get personalization that's based on real, measured abilities, not just job titles. And third, you finally get a measurable ROI that connects learning spend directly to business performance.
And I want to be super clear about this. This isn't just some clever algorithm making educated guesses. The whole system is built on a foundation of science. Those assessments it uses to kick things off, they aren't just simple quizzes. They are scientifically validated against global benchmarks to make sure they're objective and, most importantly, accurate.
Okay, the philosophy sounds great. The tech sounds cool, but does it actually work in the real world? Let's dig into the data and see what the proof looks like.
First off, this isn't some startup's beta test. We're talking about a platform with over 50,000 active users, and they're in all kinds of complex industries. Finance, aviation, retail, you name it. These are sectors where getting it right really matters.
And here is the secret sauce. The intelligence part of the platform is powered by a massive data set, over 8 million data points from around the world on skills and performance. This is what lets the AI make such accurate benchmarks and reliable predictions. This data is the fuel for the entire engine. And it's not just the users who are impressed. This thing has gotten noticed. We're talking recognition for innovation from huge names like Barclays and EY. So, it's trusted by organizations that have zero room for error, like major banks where security and compliance are everything. That's a huge vote of confidence.
So when you take a step back, what's the ultimate point of all this tech and all this data? It's about building a workforce that's not just good enough for today, but one that's agile and ready for whatever challenges are coming tomorrow. So why are companies actually signing up for this? Well, the benefits really boil down to three main things. They're seeing people develop skills faster because the learning is so targeted. They're getting real alignment between training and business goals, and they're doing it all on a platform that's built to be super secure and can grow with them.
And for any of you who are into the tech side of things, it's worth knowing the whole system is built on Microsoft Azure Kubernetes. All you really need to know is that this means it's enterprise grade. It's got the highest levels of security, it can scale to handle massive organizations, and it's built to comply with data rules all over the world.
I think this just nails it. It really says it all. This is not just another e-learning platform. It's a comprehensive talent intelligence ecosystem. It's about bringing learning, skills assessment, and data analytics together into one incredibly smart, predictive system. And that really brings us to the final critical question that every leader should be thinking about. When you see this massive shift from just training to true talent intelligence, you really have to ask yourself, is my workforce actually prepared for what's coming next?